Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is one that I have not yet had. It is the Mood Box by Innocent Bones. I found them by watching my friend from Instagram. She has a YouTube channel as well who I will link, called Rain and Rest, and she used to be the Cromwell Chronicles, and then she was Cromwell and the Boys before that, just in case anyone follows her and doesn't know who I'm talking about. That is who I'm talking about. I saw her unbox it and I thought it looked really nice. It's a bi-monthly box. I'm just on their website now and it says Mood is here to inspire you. With each box you'll receive 5 to 6 carefully selected products designed to awaken your creativity, and if you don't already have a project you're working on, you can choose to add an exclusive Innocent Bones cross-stitch kit to your box. Expect to find stunning craft supplies and stationery, the best quality accessories and lifestyle items, as well as luxurious treats to put you in a creative mood. It is £24.99, but as I said, it's a bi-monthly box, so it's once every 2 months. If I can find a discount code anywhere, like if they're running a sale or anything, or I'll just contact them and ask them if they have any discount codes. If I can get one, I'll put it here for you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited. It comes like, I'm just trying to hide my address, like this, and it says Mood on the bottom there. So let's have a look. So it says the Wild at Heart box. So it looks like this, and then this is what's inside. So I've got a Sass and Belle Leopard Love keyring. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. It's just a beautiful little leopard that is going on my keys. Ben is going to be cross. I've got so many keyrings on my keys. He laughs at me all the time because I have so many. But look at that. How nice is that? I love it. Next, what is this? Oh, you get this like craft supplies. So I've got some ribbon, and it's like animal print ribbon. That is so pretty. I would just wear that, to be honest, around my hair. Like, I know that's not what it's for. I would double that over. And then if it's gonna fit around my ginormous head, I don't know, it might not. Because I wear a lot of bandanas. Oh my god, I would totally just wear that in my hair. I love it. That is so cute. I really like that. So that's how I would use that. But it just says here, a leopard print ribbon that would look amazing wrapped around your cross stitch hoop, and it would make a perfect finish to any project. This next thing is amazing. It's an iron-on patch. Oh my god, I want this as a tattoo. Look, how freaking cool is that? This is Cousins Collective, by D Quinn. That is so cool. Yeah, so Cousins Collective embroidered patch will have you feeling wild at heart, and it's an iron-on one. I've got so many patches, I just need to find like the perfect jacket to put them on. But that is amazing, I love that. And then, what is this? Wild paper pack. So it says use these gorgeous double-sided papers for collage, scrapbook making, or just pop them in frames. Look. Oh, I love them. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I think I've got some really cool little cards. I'm going to stick them to the middle and then put these in frames just because they would be really nice. Or even pictures of the kids. Just like a little, if I get a little print of the kids and then put that in the middle in a frame with these as the background. Love that. Wasn't actually expecting to be like, oh my god, I've actually thought of things to do that are creative, but I did. Oh my god. Hey you cool cats and kittens, I love that so much. That is going in a frame. That is amazing. It says if you know you know, and even if you don't, this stunning print by Pretty Neat Prints will look perfectly fierce wherever you decide to place it. That is going in in a frame. I love that. Pretty neat prints. Anyone on Instagram that I can link, I will link. And then, what's this? Is this a cross stitch? I didn't add a cross stitch, did I? I must have done. Is it? It is a cross stitch. Is it? It is. It's a counted cross stitch. I don't know what it is. Am I being thick? Is it a cat? Is it a cat? I've never done a counted cross stitch before. Oh, it is a cat. I can see it now on there. When I was looking at it here, I couldn't see it, but now I've got it on the camera. I can see, look, it's a kid. It's like a leopardy one with his teeth. Oh my God, that's amazing. So I've got the cross stitch hoop, the fabric, all of the threads that I need. That's going to be so pretty. Look at these colours. That is going to be so pretty. Look at them. Oh my God. And then there is, what is in there? That is, I don't know what that is. Something sticky. And then a little needle. It's such a pretty box. It's so lovely how it's put together. I really, really like it. And it's got all the instructions for the cross stitch fabric, and it sort of shows you exactly what you need to do. So I've done a few like where they're printed on it. They're printed cross stitches. I've done those before. And I've made cushions out of them for my nan and for Ben's nan. And when they have both passed away, I've then got the cushions back and they're on my sofa, which I absolutely love. I'm very proud that they were once theirs and they are now in my house again for us to love. But I've never done a counted one. I'm very excited, but it looks quite, there's quite a lot of detail in the instructions. So me being an idiot should be able to do it. I will, it's going to take me a while because the fact I've got 3 children and I have no time to do anything other than film videos. But once I've done it, I'll put it on my Instagram. I love it. I'm so excited to do that. That's going to be amazing. Oh, I love the box. It's so nice. There's literally nothing that's rubbish. It's all good. I love it. Absolutely love it. I will contact them on Instagram and find out if they're running any discounts or anything. And if I can find a discount code, I will link it here and down below for you guys. I absolutely love that. If you like these kind of boxes, please do give this one a big thumbs up. Boxes, videos, it's too late. It's 7 minutes past 8, people. I'm tired. Yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a really big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye guys.